So good morning to all. What I did is I cook my very healthy product, which is the upo or tambwali. This one I don't know yet, and the kamote tops. This one, but I really love the taste and the bitter ground. So this is so good and so yummy. This is just my food today. This is soup with sardines. I will call this dish vegetable soup with sardines. Nalami kaayo siya, as in. Kani oh. Grabe kayo siya kainit. Hmm, kayo siya akong favorite po. Tanan, favorite ako. Promise. I can live forever with this.